What measure of influence do you have? What have you brought to the party to make the party to their life? It's not about, and look at PDP, so shameless, their leadership, so shameless. Tell me what, I see them moving around, going to tribunal, I have no problem with that. What did you contribute? You were busy plotting how you would deal with Wike instead of you plotting how you win an election. Have you ever seen where people spend their time, resources, on how you would deal with one person, instead of you to spend their time and resources on how you are going to win an election? At the end of the day, who lost? I have finished my governorship, finished very well, ended very well, strongly. Go and see what it is in Rivers State. Who have they accorded that kind of honor? Tell me, among them who have finished, that his people have received them. Not because they have seen what I've done in Rivers State now, they will go and tell their people, why not do the same thing for me too? Spontaneous. I feel proud. I feel very, 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 very proud that my people are happy.
And as it were now, you are kind of a hybrid politician of PDP stock, but also loved by the APC government. Are you happy about?
I don't know what you mean by APC government loves me. The truth of the matter, I talk about Nigeria now. I've passed that level. You will tie me to a political party. I talk about the progress of Nigeria. I talk about the unity of this country. For Christ's sake, if you want me to talk about just party, I'll stay in my state. Any party I say I'm in, my people will join us. All those people who are in Abuja are telling them stories. Let them show the result.